If you have a garden area and the way out is a 3-meter wide ditch, but you only legally own 2 meters of the ditch, the story is that you need about 40 meters length to pump sand over the ditch from the beginning of the path leading into the lane, and you need to contact the ditch boundary owner to agree on the plan and cost of pumping sand into the ditch. Initially, the land ditch owner said, "Sure, just pump the sand and we will split the cost." I was really happy to work with her. However, when the project was about to start, she said, "I cannot pump the sand." I guess it was because she didn't have the funds. And I explained that if I didn't pump, I would have to build a 2-meter embankment on the ditch, which would be much more expensive to build up. It was a tough situation. In reality, the ditch owner knew what the problem was and how much it would cost. "Okay, no problem. Let's pump the sand for her. No need her to refund." Because of the upcoming plans and project target, I couldn't postpone the schedule. According to the commitment papers, in order to pump sand into the ditch, we had to ensure the water supply for the ditch owner. Therefore, we had to install a water pipe from the beginning of the drain to the lane, and also branch water pipe into the ditch of the ditch owner. These tasks were not easy to perform. Notify the ditch owner when to work to avoid conflicts. Vendors deliver on time. How many workers are enough and how long will it take to complete the task? What materials need to be purchased? Finalize the schedule with all parties involved. And finally, be financially ready. The distance from the beginning of the drain to the lane was about 38 meters. The ditch were about 3 meters wide, and it gradually narrowed to about 1.5 meters from the lane. After measuring, we needed to use 11 PVC pipes with a diameter of 315 millimeters and 1 L shaft connector. Did you know that 10 millimeters thick PVC pipes with a diameter of 315 millimeters require 2 strong people or 3 adults to carry them, and they are extremely heavy. Even the 2 3-cycle motorbikes transporting the pipes to the site were struggling, and they were destined to face traffic police. The project was repaired from morning to evening, and we successfully installed 11 pipes, glued them together, tightened the screws, and reinforced them with the gross wooden beams before pumping sand. This is experience of sharing the installation of pipes for my project. I hope you will find something interesting in this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.